This summer holiday was unlike any other. It all started when my family decided to visit my grandparents' old farmhouse in the countryside. I wasn't too excited at first, thinking it would be just another boring trip without my friends or my usual summer activities. Little did I know that this would turn into the most memorable and special summer of my life. On the first morning, I woke up to the sound of birds chirping and the smell of fresh bread baking in the kitchen. My grandmother, who I affectionately call Nana, greeted me with a warm smile and a hug. She had already prepared a delicious breakfast spread with homemade jam, freshly churned butter, and warm, crusty bread. As we ate, she told me stories about the farmhouse and how it had been in our family for generations. After breakfast, my grandfather, whom I call Pops, invited me to join him in the garden. He handed me a pair of gardening gloves and showed me how to pick ripe tomatoes and cucumbers. The garden was bursting with life, and Pops explained how each plant needed special care to grow. I felt a sense of accomplishment as we filled our baskets with fresh vegetables. In the afternoons, Nana taught me how to bake. We made everything from scratch: pies, cakes, and cookies. I loved the feeling of kneading dough and the sweet aroma that filled the kitchen. Nana's patience and encouragement made me realize how much fun baking could be. One day, we even made a massive batch of strawberry jam, which we later enjoyed on toast. One evening, Pops took me to the attic and showed me an old trunk filled with photo albums and letters. We spent hours looking through the pictures and reading letters from my great-grandparents. It was fascinating to learn about my family's history and the adventures they had. Pops shared stories about his childhood and the mischief he got into with his siblings. I felt a deep connection to my heritage and a newfound respect for my grandparents. The highlight of my summer was the night of the meteor shower. Pops set up a blanket in the middle of the field, away from the farmhouse lights. We lay there, watching the night sky, as Pops pointed out different constellations and told me about Greek myths associated with them. As the meteors streaked across the sky, I felt a sense of wonder and awe. It was a magical experience that I will never forget. As the summer came to an end, I realized how much I had grown and learned. The farmhouse, which I initially thought would be boring, had given me precious moments and memories. I learned new skills, connected with my grandparents, and discovered the beauty of the simple things in life. This summer holiday taught me that sometimes the most mundane experiences can turn into the most precious memories. It's not always about where you go or what you do, but the people you are with and the moments you share. I returned home with a heart full of gratitude and a promise to cherish every moment, no matter how ordinary it may seem.
Thank you for watching. Your support means the world to us. Please like, share, and subscribe to help our channel grow. Join us every week for a brand new short story.